Hello everyone, this is me again, Mark, and we have open house here in the project of Pueblo de Oro here in Caniasuhan, Carcar. This is a pre-selling project and we are going to attend the grand launching and as well as the grand open house of this project. So we have available townhouse here, townhouse and single detached and single attached townhouses, and this is the project site and that's the events area. We will go there shortly. Onar ako dire, Chip.
Good morning.
Morning, Chip. May buntag, ma'am. Sa oras mo mag-start, ma'am? And those are the townhouses of the Pueblo project. I will show you the model units of the project. So this is the Pueblo de Oro Carcar, and this is the first Pueblo de Oro townhome series here in the south, because mostly they are developing in the Mactan Island, and those are the townhouses that are available. Those are the model units. Those are the model units of this project. So this is a pre-selling, and this location of the project is here in Caniasuhan, Carcar, very close to the elementary school of Carcar, Caniasuhan, and also nearby to the barangay hall of Caniasuhan and the church of Caniasuhan. And the event will going to start at 10 in the morning, and now is 8 in the morning, so we still have enough time to take video while people are not yet arrived.
Round of applause for Mr. John Paul Escario.
Good morning! Good morning! I'm Buntag! I'm Buntag! Nice to see a lot of people here to support us, our sellers. Good morning, everyone. Today is a moment we have long been waiting for. With great pride and sincere excitement, I stand before you as we officially launch Pueblo de Oro Townhomes Carcar. And after years of planning, perseverance, quiet, hard work, the vision we once spoke of is now finally before us. On behalf of Pueblo de Oro, thank you for sharing this milestone to us. Salamat kaayo sa inyong pag-andito. Your presence today gives us life and meaning to this occasion, and we are deeply grateful for your continued trust and support. We are especially honored by the presence of our distinguished guests. We would like to acknowledge first our President, Mr. Prim Nalido. Thank you, sir. The representative of Mayor, Miss April and company. From the police, Lieutenant Egay, thank you very much for coming, sir. From BFP, Sir Rowell Tumongha and Sir Orhel, thank you so much. From Pag-ibig, asa man ang Pag-ibig? Aden. Sir O'Neill and company, thank you for coming. Our brokers. LV Realty, where are you? Thank you so much. Luterio Realty. Thank you. Land Asia Realty. Bachelors Realty. RNL Realty. CL8 Realty. CLF Realty. Thank you, thank you. 0818 Realty. Thank you so much. Home Key Realty. LJS Realty. Thank you. Orion Realty. And last but not the least, MAC Realty. Aside from that, our distinguished contractors, TK Design. Where are you guys? Thank you so much. Drix Construction. Thank you. Cyber Age Construction. Island Paints. Thank you so much. Our bank partners. Security Bank. Thank you for coming. And RCBC. Thank you so much. Together with our partners, stakeholders, and friends, we have stood with us throughout the journey. Daghang salamat kaayo ninyo tanan. Pueblo de Oro Townhomes Karkar is more than a collection of houses. It is a promise of comfort, thoughtfully designed, opportunities made accessible, and a community built with care. It reflects our belief that every family deserves a place where life can grow, where dreams can take root, and where future feels secure. As we move through today's program, from the unveiling of the project to the ceremonies and the shared moments of fellowship, we invite you to celebrate not only what now stands before us, but the many lives and stories that will soon begin here. Today, we do not simply open a project. We open doors to new beginnings, stronger communities, and better futures. Welcome to Pueblo de Oro Townhomes Karkar. Where the long wait finally ends and the new chapter begins. Thank you very much.
A round of applause for VP Operations Cebu, Mr. John Paul Escario. I am also excited, same as you do, ladies and gentlemen, but of course, aside from that, we also...
And this is the site of the project. From that area, going up there, and that's the highway or the road, the main road of the Pueblo de Oro, which is a 4-lane road. And the location of this project is here in Canasuhan, Barangay Canasuhan, Karkar City, very close to the elementary school of Canasuhan and the barangay hall of Canasuhan and the Catholic Church of Canasuhan. And the high school is also walking distance from this area, so I would like to bring you here inside the undeveloped area of Pueblo de Oro. And this is the first Pueblo de Oro townhouse series development here in the south of Cebu. And because the Pueblo de Oro townhouse has been developing in Mactan Island already, and this is the first project that they expand in the south side of Cebu. And this is the area, the land that is going to develop, and this project is pre-selling. It means the development, you are going to buy and you are going to pay the the house for an installment for the down payment of about 60 months or maximum of 60 months. And later on, once the project is ready for turnover, it will be bank financing. So you are going to apply it for the bank. And this project is good for those who are not in hurry, or for those who are just want to have a property here in the Karkar, in the southern part of Cebu, because you still have a very good amount, or the long payment scheme, which is 60 months, about more than 60 months. And this is the project site. That open area, soon 4 to 5 years from now, this will be a nice, vibrant community. And that's the part, that's where we park. And thank you. Let's go back to the event, because we have an open house today. Let's go back there. The event will start at 10 a.m. So I just want to bring you here inside the development area, the actual development location.